Welcome to Archiesense. Nestled above the Okanagan Valley and integrated into the remote mountain landscape, this home features a Corten facade that embodies a land-based ship-like aesthetic. The structure of the home is designed to withstand harsh environmental conditions, including fire hazards, extreme heat, high winds, and snow. Overhanging roofs provide additional protection from the elements. The base of the building is free of glass openings to prevent fire infiltration from the ground level. A perforated steel staircase leads visitors to the entrance above a perforated landing, with a central skylight and light tunnel bringing natural light into the center of the home. With an elevated arrow-shaped floor plan and set within the rugged landscape, the home offers uninterrupted 270-degree views of the Okanagan Valley and surrounding mountains. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.